these cookies because I could smell the shea butter throughout the process. This was very interesting, making these cookies. The end product, they look gorgeous. I will say that the edges got brown and I thought they were overdone, but the middle is super duper gooey. So let's see. I'm nervous because I don't want it to taste like shea butter. How is it?
I can feel shea butter.
You can feel the shea butter? Can you taste it? You can't taste it, but you can feel it.
It's good. Y'all.
Yo, this is good.
This is good.
There's a hint of shea butter, but it don't taste how you think. It tastes nutty. And because I put walnuts in it, you just think it's creamy nut. That's it. If you could just get out of your head, which I had to do, that this is shea butter that you put on your body, this is delicious. I almost don't want to tell anybody that there's shea butter to see if they're even anticipating that when they try it.